Abeg o, I wan answer. Why they no see Sophia for the opening show? I no see am for the opening show. Abi Sophia no deserve to open show with them. Oh God, I laugh in Chinese. Wait o. I no see how. I just dey see all the whole housemates dey come they come one after the other. They go talk, they go do, they go back. I no see her for the opening show. No be Sophia wey dey say na im be the life of the show. Wetin come happen? They say na she be the life of the show. Na she go make the show sell. Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you come across this video. If today is your first time tuning in, please do well to hit the notification bell anytime I upload a new video. You'll be the first to see. To my returning subscribers, I say each and every one of you. To my new subscribers, I say each and every one of you. I say may God bless you all. I just say they say na im be the life of the show this year. Wetin come happen? Why I no see am for the opening show? Now wow. Me, I know this one now, that thing wey happen to am now. Wetin dey different? This one is even worse than that house issue wey im go say na im own o. The embarrassment too much o. This one embarrassment pass that house issue. Hey God, abeg o. Yeah. The life of the show no open show. Hey, me I don dey sit down sef. I carry chair sit down, carry popcorn sit down, dey wait Sophia make e enter. I look my left, look my right, look front, back, center, middle. I no see Sophia. Introduction come finish. Who make dem introduce? The housemaid dey introduce themselves. I dey look where our life of the show dey, where the life of the show dey. I no see am o. I look back, I no see am. Front, I no see am. I see wetin happen. Abi they don disqualify her and final. Abi they don disqualify her. God, why now? Why did they disqualify her? Our life of the show. Now wetin those dey come for my mind o. I don't know, say she's not qualified to come out first. This one sweet my belly. This one sweets me. He enter my medulla oblongata. Hey Jesus, this one turn my belly. Yeah. For na mine now, una think say Sophia na the life of una show. That is why una use am take. That is why una even put am for the show for the first time. Una never see anything. This is the first time I see that doing Real Housewife of Lagos and one person is missing for the show. Opening show. Wey be say all of una go dey there. Abi na last show im wan belong. Maybe na dem go be the last badge. Hey God, abeg Sophia fans, abeg una breathe in, breathe out. It's going to be fine. Una mama go come. Maybe the next day na im go be the I laugh in jackan. Say yeah. Una favourite no dey qualify. Una no dey cry. Una no dey disturb people for ear. I go for the comment section of the Housewife of Lagos. See, if you see wetin dem dey tell the organizer of the show, like they say if they no see Sophia for that show, they will go and follow them. They will not watch the show. I say wetin happen. If Sophia no dey the show, una no dey watch am before. If Sophia no dey, I even see another one sef say they go report the show. I say wetin, they go report the account. I say wetin happen. For una mind before, una think say una favourite dey, e get that po ten tial from the beginning. See people wey get the po ten tial, no be dem carry come outside for the first. What goes around comes around. The day wey they sign her as Real Housewife of Lagos, we no hear word o. Una no let us hear word for the social media. Yes, she's qualified. Our favourite no dey qualify. She no sabi speak English. That is why she no go fit go. The person now wey sabi speak English, why they no use am open show? What goes around come back o. What goes around come back. Don dey come back. She no sabi speak English. That is why she no go fit go the show. See am now, una Faye wey sabi speak English, where she dey? Why they no use am opening show? Abi na she dey back of the camera, na she dey video them. Abeg una let us know whether na she dey video them for the back of the camera. If you go the comment section of this Real Housewife of Lagos, you go know say e get some international people. Oh, Oyibo na your mate. E get some category people, get some caliber people wey person fit use take do show. Only your fans alone sef fit disqualify you. You see his favourite, his supporters, they will be the one to make that show to disqualify her. I swear. Because if you see the eight comments wey dem dey drop for that comment section, e go be like say na because of the girl na im make una wan watch the show, or na because of how una subscribe for the show. I know say most of una subscribe for the show because of her. Even me sef, I dey sit down dey wait for the show. I sit down dey wait. The show never begin dey give me wetin I want. All of una those days dey drop negative comment for the comment section, and una think say those people no dey see them. Una go talk refer to person wey dey alone. Straight this thing go reach am. Somebody wey no know A, e no know B, e no know whether the girl even go there or the girl no even go there. Una go straight this thing bully go reach the girl for where she dey. Straight bully go reach the husband for where he dey. Wetin sup? Una dey calming down. You people should be calming down. You people should not run faster than your shadow. They are seeing what you people are doing. Una no spoil the little fame wey this girl gets. The little fame wey dey make am dey buga. Una no spoil am. All the old positive comments wey dey inside the comment section, they dey reply them. They say something to them. If you say nice something to them, they will reply you. If you say good something to them, they will reply you. See those 8 comments where Sophia fans they drop. They no dey even reply anyone, because this is what we are talking about. They need possibility. They need vibe. They need something that will make them be loud. Not be something where they go see waiting be this one. Why we accept this person for the first time? All this negative comment. Una no fit drop positive comment for once. Most people refer say how people wey no like Sophia, how they cope, or how they do this one. Yes, they no dey happy. Me they check on us, so me they check on Chioma fans, so me they check on Davido fans, so they no dey happy. All those stuff like that. Those they drop negative comment for the comment section. You think say those people no dey see them? They tell you say they sign that show for because of negative comment. They sign possibility. They sign positive. They sign intellectual. They sign something. They don't come there, come waste their money, say they do show. You know how much they spend to do that show? Where they go come comment section. Hello, una comment hello, go make them enter house. Una say una favorite open show. You no go open show, because if you open show, una go make them regret why they use that to open show. Una they calm down. Una no dey rush. Una no be rusher. Una no dey rush. Una calm down. We no shake. We dey gallant. We dey wait for una. Any energy una bring, we will give una back. Una no shake. Una no see say we dey fear. We no fear. We the Davido fans, we no dey fear. We dey gallant. We no move. Una comment no fit move us. Last we go give una back. Una comment, we comment back. We go dey drag am for the comment section till when they go close the comment section. Everybody go call rest. We sef una go for that African Magic comments, go dey comment negative comment. Una better go for Sophia page, go dey comment all those things, because they say and e go shock una say una go dey, una no go even see that girl for that show. Or maybe they just wan use that Sophia face take use am grow this thing, make the audience dey subscribe. E go shock una say una no go see Sophia for that thing if una no stop this thing una dey do. The little fame now made Davido give this girl. Now una no want am make e shine with the fame. Wetin be all this one now? If una dey support person, una no go support am with una full chest. Na only Sophia get 8 people. Na only Sophia get people wey dem no like. Chioma too dey get wey dem no people dey wey dem no like, and Davido too dey wey dem no like. And why be say na only Sophia people wey dem no like people, na dem full there dey drop comment wey dem no suppose to drop. You no know say e get some comment wey you go drop sef. Even me sef may get the show sef, me I go close una. That una fame may dey make una head dey big, she no go come. Una no even know whether they just use her take advertise the show for the show to sell. Una those dey talk, dey drag, how they dey do. I hope they dey do well. I hope they sleep. I hope they do this. I hope they dey breathe. When they check on them, no me they do wetin. Those dey drop wetin no supposed to make sense. It's a big slap to una. Yes, it's a big slap. Una favorite, they no use an open show. This one touch me. Una sorry, yeah? Una sorry. Una no dey carry shoulder up. Life na turn by turn. Yes. no dey carry shoulder up. My hear say na our favourite na dey go dis show. My hear say social media no go scatter. My hear na im dem go take do the first number one. Chi come outside. Na she go be the number one. Una never dey cry. Make una change o. The wetin una go just do, make una sit down dey do fasting and prayer so that una fame go even show for that screen of the television at all. If though na one script dem give am, so that e go even show at all.